Hey, Donny Walker here. Okay, I pretty much finished up my cylinders for the day. Just wanted to kind of show you something on the little 400 I'm just doing. Show you a couple of imperfections I found. Every new model, they run from the factory. They run them for a second to make sure they meet the EPA spec and they actually work, then they ship them to us. A lot of times, all new ones, I kind of look right inside real good. Look for how the ports are finished. Timing of the ports, of course. You see up above and below that, these transfer ports, a bunch of little fine lines. Right on top of those transfer ports, I call what I call grapes. Little bumps of jagged chrome that starts scratching your piston. You can see it's starting to scratch the walls a little bit right now. Not a lot, but just a bit. Okay? So what I'll do, finish this one off. I take my 90-degree grinder head or hand tool. And I'll go into the cylinder and just clean up the tops of those ports, and the bottom. Just give them a little rub. I don't want to change the height of them because there's nothing wrong with these. I can just feel as I drag that across there, the jagged edges. So I'm going to clean those up. I've already done my exhaust port. Clean the intake up just a tad. There's no big timing numbers I change on these. I keep them pretty simple. I come up with a certain exhaust and a couple other things, and then they work fine. So I'm just saying, like, there's nothing wrong with the way it was. It probably worked just fine and last good time. But it's nice just to fix all those little edges and imperfections. It's kind of called blueprinting. Not everything's perfect from the factories. They all get off a little bit. I check every manufactured ones as I do them. How they look at the beginning, and then of course clean them up like that. I just wanted to show you how I use that. Using these 90-degree hand pieces, you got to be really careful. Don't go fast. Just go real slow and just draw it back to you. Starts doing that chatter thing, and you can maybe wreck a little bit of the chrome, or some might flake off. But all these OEM cylinders got great chrome. I never have any flaking problems with chrome coming off. Only on some of the aftermarket ones I've done in the past, which, as you know, I don't like to do. So anyways, I'll finish this 400. I just wanted to show you that. And get back and put all these other saws together and get on with the day. So hey, keep your saw in the wood, stick in the ice, rubber on the road. Have a great day. We'll catch you later.